How to share someone's story on Facebook. First thing you have to do is open up your Facebook app, and then from here you want to find the story that you want to reshare. So the first thing you have to do is tap on the story or find the story. So let's just tap on our notification, and here is a story that I want to reshare. So what you want to do here is simply go ahead and tap on add this to your story if you're tagged on it. So just tap on the three lines, and then from here you have an option to create a story, so just tap on it, and then you can add this to your story. So just tap on add this to your story. You can just adjust the size, and then from here what you're going to have to do is simply go ahead and tap on the share option, and you have now successfully shared it to your story. So that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.